Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 10 most popular YouTube topics that are taking the internet by storm. Watch full video and get the idea of topics which will make your YouTube channel go viral in few days. First up, we're jumping into the world of gaming. From Minecraft Let's Plays to Fortnite Battle Royales, gaming channels are absolutely crushing it. Channels like PewDiePie, Markiplier, and Ninja are pulling in insane numbers. The key is to be passionate, engaging, and most importantly, be yourself. Next up, let's talk about beauty and makeup. This is where YouTube truly shines for creativity and self-expression. Beauty gurus like James Charles, Nikki Tutorials, and Jeffree Star are modern-day Picassos with makeup brushes. There are tons of creators focusing on everyday makeup routines, skincare tips, and product reviews. So if you're passionate about makeup or skincare, this might be the perfect niche for you. Who doesn't love getting their hands on the latest tech gadgets? The thrill of peeling off the plastic, the excitement of powering it on for the first time. It's an experience like no other. Watching someone else unbox them on YouTube is even better. Channels like MKBHD, Unbox Therapy, and Linus Tech Tips are the rock stars of the tech world. They bring the latest and greatest right to your screen, making you feel like you're part of the action. There are tons of creators reviewing everything from budget-friendly headphones that won't break the bank to cutting-edge smart home devices that can transform your living space into a futuristic haven. If you're passionate about technology, why not start your own tech review channel? Share your insights, build a community, and who knows, you might be the next big name in tech reviews. Ever wish you could spend a day hanging out with your favorite YouTuber? Vlogs are the next best thing. Creators like Casey Neistat, David Dobrik, and Emma Chamberlain have turned vlogging into an art form. They take you along on their adventures, share their thoughts and feelings, and give you a glimpse into their everyday lives. Sometimes, the most relatable vlogs are the ones that show the everyday struggles and triumphs of being human. If you're a natural storyteller, vlogging might be your calling. Ready to roll up your sleeves because DIY and crafts are taking YouTube by storm. DIY queens like LaurDIY, Mr. Kate, and the Sorry Girls can turn trash into treasure. DIY isn't just about aesthetics, it's about empowering people to be resourceful and creative. Whether it's upcycling old clothes or building your own furniture, DIY is all about making your mark on the world. If you love creating something with your own two hands, DIY might be your jam. Ready to get your heart pumping? The fitness and health community on YouTube is here to motivate you. Fitness gurus like Chloe Ting, Blogalates, and Fitness Blender are your virtual personal trainers. Fitness isn't just about six-pack abs, it's about feeling good from the inside out. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, there's a whole community on YouTube ready to support you. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds because the food and cooking category on YouTube is a smorgasbord of culinary delights. From mouth-watering appetizers to decadent desserts, there's something for everyone. Celebrity chefs like Gordon Ramsay and home cooks like Binging with Babish are sharing their passion for food. They bring their unique styles and flavors to the table, making cooking accessible and fun for everyone. They're breaking down complex recipes and teaching essential cooking skills. From knife techniques to mastering the perfect sauce, these videos are a treasure trove of knowledge. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, there's a whole world of culinary inspiration waiting for you on YouTube. Dive in, explore new cuisines, and discover the joy of cooking with the endless array of videos available. Hold on to your hats because things are about to get wild. The world of pranks and challenges is where YouTube's entertainment factor goes into overdrive. Prank masters like Roman Atwood and challenge kings like Mr. Beast have turned pranks and challenges into an art form. They're constantly raising the bar with their creativity and dedication. Pranks and challenges are about creativity, teamwork, and pushing boundaries. If you've got a knack for dreaming up outrageous challenges, this might be the perfect niche for you. Who said learning had to be boring? In today's digital age, education has taken on a whole new dimension. Gone are the days of monotonous lectures and dry textbooks. The educational content category on YouTube is proving that knowledge is power and can be seriously entertaining. Educational superstars like Vsauce, Crash Course, and many others are revolutionizing the way we perceive learning. TED-Ed are making learning cool again. These channels are not just about imparting knowledge, they're about making the process enjoyable and engaging. They're taking complex topics and presenting them in a way that's both engaging and easy to understand. From science and history to art and technology, there's something for everyone. Whether you're looking to learn a new skill or simply expand your knowledge base, there's a YouTube channel out there for you. Imagine learning to code, mastering a new language, or even picking up a new hobby, all from the comfort of your home. If you're passionate about a particular subject, why not share your knowledge with the world? YouTube provides a platform for educators and enthusiasts alike to reach a global audience, making education more accessible than ever before. So dive in, explore, and make learning a fun and integral part of your life. Get ready to pack your bags because the travel category on YouTube is your passport to adventure. Travel vloggers like Lost LeBlanc and Cara and Nate are living the dream and taking us along for the ride. They're sharing their travel tips and showcasing the beauty of different cultures. Travel vlogs are about immersing yourself in new cultures and connecting with people from all walks of life. If you've got a thirst for adventure, why not start your own travel vlog? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome content. There's a whole world of content out there, just waiting to be discovered.